Hey guys, it's Mel. Welcome to my kitchen. I've got about a $77 grocery haul for you. You know, I have done a lot of stocking up and some large hauls the last month and a half, so I am pretty well set. I just needed a few things to fill in, and I wanted to take advantage of mainly some sales. My husband will be disappointed because there were no Diet Mountain Dews to be found in the store. So here we go. I'll show you what I got. All right, let's get into it, and I will show you my sale items first. Got the Thomas English muffins for $2.49. This was a digital downloadable coupon. Got really lucky and found these. This is a 16-ounce bag of Blue Diamond almonds, and I got those for $4.97. $2.49 for my Cheetos. And the ice creams, I got the fruit bars for $1.99. Ice cream sandwiches, $1.79. And this deluxe, this is a really good flavor, Brookie cookie. It's like got brownie and cookie bites in it for $1.99 as well. Cottage cheese for 89 cents. They also had our favorite chip dip in on that sale, but they were all out. Got 2 penne pastas and 1 rotini. Both of these brands ended up getting these for 49 cents each. Got some carving board turkey breast for $4.99 and a large 16-ounce package of the rotisserie chicken breast for $4.79 or something like that. So those were the main sale items that I didn't want to miss. Got those. And I needed a half a gallon of milk. I got some whipped cream cheese. I got a big thing of cut sweet potatoes. Just, I don't know, we've been eating a lot of sweet potatoes, so I got another big thing of that. Got a big 36 count of mozzarella string cheese. We're getting low on those, and it's just a better value if you go ahead and buy the bigger package of it. Got 1 can of biscuits. These little cans of tomatoes were on sale for 59 cents this week, so I grabbed a couple of those. I got an evaporated milk and a sweetened condensed milk. I was thinking of a recipe that I was going to be making, and I couldn't remember if it used, I thought it used one or the other of these, but I couldn't remember, so I just went ahead and picked them up. All I could get was fat-free sweetened condensed milk in the Kroger brand, so we'll try that. Got some straws, some freezer bags, gallon size. I go through those a lot. Some baking mix. I got 2 cans of instant vanilla pudding. Not cans, 2 little boxes of instant vanilla pudding and 2 little boxes of instant chocolate pudding. I got a few packs of turkey gravy. About to run out of garlic powder and chili powder. We needed these lemon sandwich cookies, some flour tortillas, a nice looking head of iceberg lettuce. You know, I make a big salad every week. A good looking cucumber, some green onions, and they just had regular sweet potatoes on sale for 99 cents this week. So I grabbed a few of those to roast up. So that is pretty much all of it. Okay, here's just a little fill-in haul. When did a fill-in haul become $78? But honestly, I may just have to go back for some bread, but there was mainly some things on sale I went here to get, and just a couple of things, and I'll have everything I need for next week too. This is Food City, and I don't usually go there, but they had these things on sale. 12 rolls, 12 mega rolls of bath tissue for $4.99. You could get 2, so I got 2 of each of those. And you know, toilet paper is toilet paper. I kind of felt of it, and I think it's going to be just fine. Got 6 big rolls of this paper towel. It says it's select a size, but I didn't much like the feel of it, but they were $4.99, but I thought, hey, we'll try them. Now these 3 items here, I've turned into my mother. They have this sale at Food City. It's Friday and Saturday only. Well, I left work and I was feeling like it was Friday because I'm off on Fridays. And I run in there and started picking my stuff up and got to the register. And I had about 4 things of toothpaste that rang up $3 and realized it's only Thursday. So the lady was real nice about it, and she took my toothpaste off. And I said, well, just these were on the sale, these chocolate chip cookies and these like Ritz crackers. I could have saved $1 on them if I waited till tomorrow. It ain't no big deal. And I didn't really need the toothpaste either. I was just getting it because it was 74 cents. So I just said, leave those. But she did take my 4 toothpaste off and one of my 18 count of eggs. These were $2.39. And if it was tomorrow, I could get 2 of them for $1.19. It's fine. What have you. I got me some of this cubed ham. I saw Bethany from Budget Bethany make this little crock pot meal with some ham, and I was looking for like a ham steak to cut up and I couldn't find nothing, but I believe this will work fine. And I saw that and it looked so good, so I'm gonna have to try that. I got some Miss Grissom pimento cheese. She looks like a woman who knows how to make pimento cheese, so we'll try her out. And y'all remember that white cheddar and veggie mac and cheese I made, and I couldn't find this at Kroger, the Bob Evans white cheddar macaroni and cheese that you used with it. So what did I use? It was a Cracker Barrel that you cook on top of the stove. Well, I found it. Do you know this stuff is normally $5.99? Can you believe that? It's 2 to 3 servings. That is, I can't find the size, 20 ounces. It was on sale for $5.99, and you know how cheap I am. It broke my heart, but I've been wanting that again, so yeah, I bought that. Got my husband some of the squirty cheese. It was right there beside those crackers, and I hadn't got him that in a while. He also has 3 6-packs of Diet Mountain Dew. He'll be a happy, happy man. I got some cheese ravioli. I've got a crock pot meal that I saw Jennifer at Southern Mama Drama make with some tortellini, and I just don't like the looks of tortellini, so I got these little mini cheese raviolis. Can't wait to try that. I got a gallon of milk. Was walking down the aisle and this caught my eye. I have not had the apple cider muffins, and then I went ahead and got apple cinnamon for me. And then I got a wild berry. We really go through those. And I decided that we needed hot cocoa mix. We did not have any hot chocolate fixings in the house, and just got an old store brand of that. I wanted these larger green beans to go in that crock pot meal. I don't normally buy those, but I thought that would be good in it. And I saw this when I first walked in the door, and I just went ahead and got 2 cans of it. Who knows what we'll have come Thanksgiving. Hellman's mayonnaise was on sale, so I went ahead and grabbed that. Over here in the crock pot, let's see what we got going on. Oh, it's steamy. Hang on. Just gonna cut that down on warm. Look in there. It's steamy again. This is some creamy Italian pork chops. Can't wait. That's been in there all day. I dropped my lid down in there when I got it out. I'm such a turd. Alright. Well, let me wipe that off. So, anyway, got all these groceries. It's going to get them put up. Finish up those creamy ranch pork chops. If you've not seen that What's for Dinner, go back and check it out. You'll love them. And until I see you next time, I send you love from my kitchen.